Well, this is in England, south coast of England, Portslade near Brighton. I've never seen such a massive palm tree by a house. I wonder if the new owners will cut it down because it blocks the light, but it looks amazing. But the main point I want to make here is that I used to maintain these trees. There's a few places I know I've cut them down. They're very soft wood. They come down, it's almost like cutting through butter. But see these branches here? These ones on the left here have been quite badly cut because they should be cut at the base and not in the middle there. You can see over here on the right it's been really well cut, and it looks very neat and tidy, whereas on the left it's a bit of a mess. It's starting to rot down there on the bottom, and up here that branches. So all you got to do, if somebody ever asks you to maintain a tree like this, is just get a saw, ideally a chainsaw, 50 quid for electric one, and just chop the branches in that kind of direction. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's like many things, most of the things I do, it's a kind of job that anyone can do. Anyway, let me know what you think. Would you do a job like this?